Alright guys, welcome to Performance Farms channel. I'm John Rodriguez and today I have something really special. I got a box from US Optics. Because a lot of you guys may or may not know, but I am now part of the US Optics shooting team. So let's see what they sent me. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to shrink this down and give you an overhead view, and then I believe this is my B-17. So we're going to do that, and I'm going to give you an overhead view of this unboxing. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's check out all the goodies in this box. Check out what I got. Well, we got some packing tape. Some packing material. Alright. We got my US Optics hat. Alright, we got a zero delta cantilever mount. Alright. Then we got US Optics t-shirt. And then let me get it out with all this packing, without getting any of the packing tape off or packing material. Alright, and that's it. That's all we got. So we got a shirt, mount, and a hat. Alright guys, so this is the B-20 with the horse. Alright, so let's do the unboxing for this bad boy. Alright, turn it on this way for you guys. Alright, and it's sealed, so we know that no one's opened it. Alright, so this is how it comes. It comes with a nice little cover with some nice foam packaging. It's pretty nice. It comes with its own cover. Pretty light from what I've noticed. Alright, so we have the tool for the lock ring. We have, I guess this is the inspection sheet report. We got the owner's manual. And we have the warranty card. Alright guys, so and then this is pretty cool. It comes with its own little US Optics kind of cover on it. Wow, look at that bad boy. It's got some nice material there. The clicks are very positive. What I don't see is a battery, or I'm gonna have to look at how the scope works, but I'm sure this one was supposed to be illuminated. I don't really see a battery, so pretty cool guys. I'm gonna install this on this mount, and then we're gonna go on it from there. Alright guys, see you at the range.